Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede BBQ, and today we're making a Wagyu Beef Carpaccio. So the first thing that we want to do is trim the Wagyu tenderloin. So here's how we do that. So we got a beautiful Australian Wagyu tenderloin, and when I buy the whole tenderloin, I like to save the tenderloin tips to make carpaccio. As you can see, there's a little bit of silver skin, so we want to remove that. And then we also want to remove some of the excess fat. Then we want to take some cling wrap and roll it up. Then we're going to put it in the freezer for about 90 minutes until it's hardened, but not frozen all the way through. While the Wagyu tenderloin sits in the freezer, it's time to prepare all the other ingredients. So here's how we do that. We need to finely dice half a red onion. And then we also want to finely dice some good Italian parsley. We also want to remove some capers from its brine and set aside. The Wagyu tenderloin has now been sitting in the freezer for about 90 minutes and it started to harden up. So now it's time to take it out and slices, and let me show you how we do that. We remove the tenderloin from the freezer and now we need to unwrap it from the plastic wrap. You want to use your sharpest knife. We're using Hammerstall Damascus knives, and you want to slice the Wagyu tenderloin in as thin slices as you possibly can. Then you want to place them on a piece of parchment paper, and then we're going to put another piece of parchment paper on top. And now you want to roll these into as thin slices as you possibly can. All the ingredients are now ready, so let's put it together and make a beautiful Wagyu beef carpaccio. You want to start placing the tenderloin slices onto a plate. We're going to add plenty of red onions, and we also want to add plenty of capers. Then we're going to season it with Jacobsen's truffle salt, and just to add a little bit more truffle flavor, we're also going to add some truffle shavings from Tartuffi. Then you want to drizzle this with a good olive oil. We're using Valio from Italy, and then we're going to garnish with our chopped parsley. And then this beautiful Wagyu beef carpaccio is ready to serve. And that is how I make my Wagyu beef carpaccio. And it smells so good with the truffle. So I guess the only thing left to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. So here we go. Grab a little steak, some capers, some red onions. Look at that. The tenderloin is just melting in your mouth, packed with flavor. This is really good. I hope you try it at home. Happy cooking.